Ikaw rin ba nahihirapan na mag-type 'no? Sana na lang mas madali magsalita at mag-dictate at susulat na lang sa computer mo yung dini-dictate mo 'no? So, there are tools that you use that 'no, na we can dictate 'no, but sometimes they're not accurate. Pero if you are the type of person na gusto mo na magsalita na lang and it automatically writes it and it writes it well, hindi siya okey lang, meaning iko-correct pa niya yung grammar mo and lahat, then this tool is for you. It's called Flow or Whisper Flow 'no. I recently discovered this like 2 weeks ago and hindi ko na siya mabitawan ngayon kasi nga sobrang napapabilis yung, gawa mo for especially ako, I use AI a lot. So, instead of typing things, I just dictate na lang, I just talk to it na lang and then it will just, transcribe everything that I say and corrects even the grammar, pati may bullets pa siya, pati may form pa yung pagbigay niya 'no. So, ano lang, so it's called Whisper Flow. The website is here, you can see it whisperflow.ai. Um, and it's, yun nga, you just don't type, you just speak it and it will just automatically transcribe what you have said, into the section where you need to type things 'no. So para mas madali na lang sa inyo to understand what it does, I'll just give you an example. So usually ipine-press mo lang since I'm using a Mac, but it's also available in I think in Windows. You just press the function key. So I would like to say something. So yeah, lalagay niya ngayon doon, no? So I'm giving a tutorial to people about Whisper Flow. So there you go, nalagay rin niya. I want you to write about Whisper Flow. So yun, so instead of like typing the entire thing, sinulat na lang niya isang instantly, you know. So may maliit na icon lang siya sa baba. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a black little icon sa ilalim na would make it like parang pinagsusulat, no? So mapapansin niyo siya when you install it. So if I were you, actually available siya available siya sa iOS phone. So iPhone. So I think wala na siya sa Android. So alam ko available siya sa Mac, iPhone, and then sa Windows. Tama ba? Nakalagay naman sa website nila. Yeah, tama. So nakalagay nga. So it's available for iOS, Mac, and Windows. So yun, if you're either using this platform or this type of devices, then I think it's good to kung madalas kayo nagta-type or madalas kayo nag-ano, ayaw niyo na mag-type, I suggest you can use this. It works for emails, it works for typing reports, it works for anything na kailangan niyo ng input that uses typing, no? So yan, so go to Whisperflow. May bayad nga lang siya, but may free tier naman sila to try it out. But still, I think personally, I think it's worth the investment, no? Sila po.